It's a scramble against the fast-moving Omicron variant, with the CDC predicting record-high new infections nationwide as soon as January. Thanks for joining us for your 5 News at 10. I'm Erica Thomas. Now, as this variant sweeps across the nation, the Biden administration, along with Arkansas Governor Asa Hutchinson, are responding. 5 News reporter Michael Wilson joins us live in Fayetteville with how they're preparing. Micah?
Erica, both the president and the governor say that COVID safety measures won't be as severe as they were in 2020. However, they will be taking precautions to avoid overwhelming our hospitals with the Omicron variant.
The Omicron variant is 73% of the new cases nationwide.
Closer to home, a projected 92% of new cases in Arkansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, New Mexico, and Texas are of Omicron. Arkansas in the bottom 10 states when it comes to vaccinations, with 49% unvaccinated.
And we don't increase that vaccination rate, it could mean in January or February we could have a hospital capacity issue.
Both the president and governor hoping to avoid this, but are planning ahead for the worst. Governor Hutchinson discussing expanding hospital space as we did last winter.
We'll be prepared to do it again if we have to. We don't want to do that because it costs a lot of money. But if we have to, we will.
We all want this to be over, but we're still in it.
President Biden outlining his plans to combat the spread of the Omicron variant, which includes sending 1,000 troops to help overwhelmed hospitals, increasing federal testing sites, and distributing 500 million free at-home rapid tests.
Sending these tests to Americans for free. And we'll have websites where you can get them delivered to your home.
Adding that testing, booster doses, and wearing masks will help us from reversing course.
No, this is not March of 2020. 200 million people are fully vaccinated.
The president and governor saying we will not see major shutdowns. Hutchinson says Arkansas won't see mask mandates in place again.
It's important for our children to go to school. It's important for our businesses to not be interrupted.
And the president also defending his requirement for businesses with 100 employees or more to get vaccinated, saying, quote, not to control your life, but to save your life. In Fayetteville, covering news where you live, Mike Wilson, 5 News.
All right, Micah, thanks. Data from the CDC shows that unvaccinated people are 8 times more likely to be hospitalized and 14 times more likely to die from COVID-19. Since the first case